Hello guys, I'm done with my cake, and that cake wasn't, oh my god, it wasn't easy at all. Like, I didn't have time to do it, so that's why you know, see the green the cocoa melon. Now I'm confused. You see the cocoa melon cake, you can see it on the screen here. So there was no time to do that cake, so that's why I couldn't smooth it properly, because it's a buttercream cake. This is not ganache, so it's just a buttercream cake. I had only like 3 hours to do the whole 2 cake that I did, and there was no time. There was no time at all. I was just rushing. I couldn't put it in the fridge properly for it to be hard for me to bring it out with another layer like that. So I couldn't do all those process at all. So I just rush. If you give me rating, if the how many hours? Is it 2 hours? I think I used 2 hours. Is it up to 3 hours? I don't even think. Up to 3 hours. It's not up to 3 hours, but I really tried like doing cake like that, buttercream cake for it's not up to 3 hours for the cake at all. It's 2 hours plus to just do the 2 cakes. Yeah, it's not up to 3 hours. Like, anyway, I'm done. The cake is not for customer. It's the cocoa melon cake, which is up here, is for a family friend, and why the other cake, the one with the butterfly, it's my cousin's cake, so for her birthday. So today's her birthday, so actually I was doing a cake. She didn't realize that I was doing a cake, and she was even helping me like to rush. So I didn't plan to do those cake anyway, so I didn't plan it. So it's just something that just came up, so I just let me rush and just do the cake for them. Today is the birthday, the 2 years old birthday, and today is my cousin's birthday as well. So I just rushed to do those 2 cakes. Oh my god, I can't believe that the time I used to do the 2 cake. I've never been stressed like this, or with this 2, like doing this one. Anyway, I thank God that I'm done. So you guys, if you should rate me for my 2 hours decoration cake. I know the cocoa melon cake is not that, it's a bit kind of rough because I was rushing to do it. So it's not that smooth as I want it to be. I wish I did it like yesterday, so it would have been better than the way it is now. So it's just something I just started doing like 2 hours ago. So I just rush. Okay guys, this is going to be the end of this video. I love you guys. Thank you for always coming to my channel. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for always coming to support me. Thank you for my returning subscribers. Thank you for my new subscribers. Don't forget to click on the red button, comment, and also share to your family. Bye guys, I love you guys. Bye.